Going to the Arb.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
The Arb is great.
Yeah.
It's so much fun.
Yeah.
We can do things without the sun because it's cloudy.
Welcome to the Lillian Anderson Arboretum. This is a 140-acre plot of land that was donated to Kalamazoo College. And we're out here to do some exploration of nature. These days, with all of the different environmental problems going on between climate change and lots of air and water pollution, lots of people are concerned about a certain duty to nature, both to help the human race but also to save the trees, so to speak. And what we're here to do is to explore a different side of nature. We want to focus on finding joy in nature and learning to be one with nature. So we encourage you to come out here to the Lillian Anderson Arboretum and reconnect with nature.
Hello!
Hello, hello.
One of my favorite things to do in the Arb, especially right now in the winter time, is to go cross-country skiing. I really come out here all the time to do this. It's really a lot of fun as long as there's snow on the ground, and here in Michigan there's snow on the ground a lot of the time. It's well, here's Allie.
Hey!
Who's come skiing with me.
Yep.
We come out here maybe like twice a week to
Maybe
go
twice
skiing.
a week
Yeah.
to go skiing.
It's-
I've not even quite mastered it yet, so
Yeah. Well, yeah. It takes a little while
it
to
takes a while.
get the hang of it, but.
So the Arb is also a very reflective place where we can sometimes people meditating, enjoying the beauty of nature, and if we sit quietly for long enough and are still enough, hopefully we can hear and see some wildlife.
We like it.
Yeah, I think it seems. It's nice. It's a lot of people seem to use it, but it's not too crowded, and people seem pretty respectful of the rules. I don't know.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of the Arb?
I like this trail a lot.
Yeah.
Just pines.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I also like that there's so many different types of, ecosystems or whatever.
Hi, I'm Ellen. In summer of 2009, I worked on a carbon sequestration project in the Arboretum. So what we did is we took sample plots of different sections of the Arb and then tried to determine how much carbon that the Arboretum is holding.
Do you think there's a conflict between thinking of the Arb as a place to hold carbon and thinking of the Arb as a place to be with nature?
I think there can be. I think it depends on like who you are. If you're someone who doesn't really care about nature but cares about like the school becoming carbon neutral, whether that's for whatever reason that is, I think it's a good way to like find value in the Arb if you aren't going to come out here and use it to hike. But I mean, for me, like even after doing this project, I still definitely see the Arb as having more value as a place to like be in nature and just like come out and be peaceful than it is to sequester carbon.
This was a great hike.
Yeah, what a great day.
I love hiking in the Arb.
So beautiful.
Oh my gosh!
Did you hear that?
Stop! Do you see that? What was that? A vibrant flash of brown! Oh my god!
Oh, crikey! These hikers are in for a big scare when the rare spotted arm moose chases them down the trail. We have to struggle to keep up. The moose can reach speeds of 70 miles per hour.
I got hit in the head like pretty much early on, so I don't really know what happened.
But you know, every great battle has its sacrifices.
It's a treacherous, treacherous wilderness abyss.